Hey Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to do some of my favorite summer hairstyles. So I filmed this video a few months ago because originally it was going to be spring hairstyles, but I decided to do the Coachella hairstyles instead. So when I made this video and when I filmed this video, my hair was longer. I have recently cut my hair shorter. So that's why my hair magically grows in this video, is because I filmed it when I had a little bit longer hair. But all of these hairstyles will work for almost any hair length if you have it shoulder down. So I really hope you guys like this video, and let's jump into it. Like that video, let me know down below which hairstyle was your favorite. My favorite hairstyle out of the ones I showed you was the space buns, and my husband and I nicknamed that hairstyle because I thought that, you know, I would try putting two buns in my hair. I always thought I looked so dumb when I did that, but my husband saw me when I had them in my hair and he was like, they're so cute. I'm like, they're my space buns. And then it just kind of took. Let me know down below which one was your favorite. Make sure you like this video if you did, and you subscribe, because as you guys already know, I put out a video every Friday. I'll see you in my next video super soon. Bye!